Hello guys, today I will give you some tips and tricks about the angle how to take a photograph anterior. Usually we take a photo like this without any guidance like this. Sometimes we're confusing, sometimes we don't know how to correct that. Okay, now go to the setting and then active the grid of the camera. Now you will see the line. The lamp you have a guidance for you and it's very easy. Only put it into the chin and then you will see you will have a good angle and also so stable. Lamp U is connected Bluetooth to your phone, so you don't need to touch the shutter button on your phone, only press the button on the tripod. You can touch the screen for autofocus. See, it's very stable. Okay guys, thank you.